Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel, and today's tutorials I will be giving us a tutorials on how to add fonts to our designs or to save on Canva if you're a Canva usage. Okay, you see some of these designs you see on Instagram or you see on Instagram or TikTok, and you be like, oh, how can I get this font? I can't find it on Canva. Or you want to brand yourself, you want to use a particular font, then this tutorials is for you. Why not watch to the end to see how you can add font in your Canva or add font to your designs, okay? And if you're new here, kindly like, or watching this video, like now, subscribe, and share this video to someone that will need it, and also tag me, share it on your Instagram page, tag me on Instagram, and I will give you a shout out on my videos, okay? So if this is what you like, let's dive into the main tutorials for today without any further ado. Cheers. So tech lovers, I'll be introducing to us some two free fonts. On You go to Google and you type on thatfont.com, okay, and it will give you this, and you see the designs, different designs that are here. Or you can come here and you choose the designs you want, okay? And I will also introduce another one that is called 1000 free fonts, okay? So this one, you can decide to choose any of the designs here for you to use. I'll put the link in my description for anyone that is interested in this. For anyone interested in this, I'll put my description. For the tutorials for today, I'll be going with this, okay? So there's a particular design that I like. So I like this South Australian design. Okay, so I'm going to click on it and download. Okay, it's going to give us zip file. If it gives us zip file, you extract, you click on, remember to click on extract all, okay? If you're using Windows laptop, extract all. Remember to click extract all. So I'm going to extract all, okay? So I will go to Canva and you go to your brand, okay? And you'll see something like this. You'll see upload front, right? And I'm going to upload this. And it will come, you will see something like this. Please confirm the following. By uploading my own custom front, I acknowledge that I owe South. It has to be because Canva has a partner with TTF, okay? It has to be Austria TTF, or you have the right to use it for my intended purpose. If it's not a TTF, Canva, you don't have the right to use it, okay? So you now upload your front now. Canva is going to accept it. As you can see, I have a new front. Do some design. Oh, voila, we have some new products, some new stuff on Canva. I'll be doing the tutorials some other time, okay? So let me just add like a logo design. Then I come to text. right? And I want to change my font. I will click on my uploaded font. So this is my uploaded font. I've done several ones, so I can enlarge and you can start designing with this. Okay, let's see how this will come up. Tech with Bumi. So you can design it anyhow you want, and you can reduce it. You can give it a color that you like. As you can see, so I already checked. I did several ones. I uploaded several ones. You can change to this, and you can change to this, and you reduce the front if you want to. Okay, but I think I prefer this south one. It looks unique and nice. So I hope you like these short tutorials. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch my other videos. It's your girl Bumi, your satisfied digital marketing consultant. If you need any help, I have my link in the description, and you can also ask me any question on Instagram by going to my bio on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. Comment below if you love these tutorials. Thank you.